Good morning. It is about 3:30 in the morning and we're all getting ready to go hike Rainbow Mountain, which is about 17,000 feet. We did get home decently last night, so we had a little bit of time left. We thought we were going to be back at midnight, but we were back around like 9. We were able to eat and then go to sleep and have a little bit of sleep at least. So I'll see you over there. We got picked up at our Airbnb at like 4 o'clock and now we're here eating breakfast. They make you eat a ton of food before you go hiking because they don't want you passing out from hunger and energy, I guess. But it's a nice buffet, super cute in the mountains. The cafe also had a map where Julian showed us where we will be hiking.
We are right now here. We go this way. From here we started hiking to Rainbow Mountain, 3 kilometers half.
After breakfast, we proceeded to go back into the van where it was another hour and a half until we reached the mountain, and the views were absolutely breathtaking. Once we reached the parking lot where the trail starts, Julia went over some rules and safety with us.
Amigos, yes? So, mis amigos, I can provide oxygen tank, but no medication, mis amigos. Yeah, we are not doctors. Before my friends, we all guys provide medication, and some people were allergic, and then we got big problems. For that reason, mis amigos, I can provide medication. Maybe, mis amigos, you have personal medication. If you have personal medication, you can take before they started hiking to Rainbow Mountain.
We did.
Okay? Okay, that's good. Please give me your hands. I want to sacrifice you first, eh?
Okay, thanks.
Wow, that really does open up.
Is everything like natural? Amigos, in 3 you say, we are champions.
Okay,
1, 2, 3, we are champions! Okay, that's good.
There's Kevin up there,
Sprinting.
sprinting on his horse. Go, Kevin. Go, Kevin, go. I am so excited for this hike. I'm already dying, kind of, so I think we're starting at what, 14,000 feet?
Yeah.
And it ends at about 17,000 feet. So it'll be challenging, but worth it. Wow. I just want to say that they cheated. Okay, we have reached the halfway point, which was about 300 meters. Then the last leg is about 500 meters, but it's a little more steep. So I may be out of breath the next time you see me. But this is also the point where if you have to go to the bathroom, this is the place to do it. Almost there? I'm not dead yet, so. We made it to the top.
Okay?
17,000 feet, and this is what the view looks like. Absolutely beautiful. I might cry. Maybe from altitude sickness, but I'm not sure. At the top of the mountain, you'll have plenty of time to get food and snacks and see the views. And of course, take lots of pictures. I feel like you can enjoy the views on the trail more as we head back down. As we headed back down, we saw some natives getting ready for Carnival, which is in February. It is a big festival in Peru.
Oh, it's fun!
it did kind of look like they were fighting, but really they were trying to just paint each other's faces with different colors. And then we had our chance to get our face painted as well.
You?
Sure.
These are the painted, huh? Yes. Basket painted.
So I was told this short trek that we just did today wasn't here for a long time, actually, only several years. And before that, people would have to hike around the mountains over here to get to Rainbow Mountain, which would take several days. And then the indigenous people were accepting, most of them were accepting of the fact that there would be tourists coming in a lot to their native land because we are on their land right now. So it is good for their economy and to keep their native land alive. And some indigenous people are not very accepting of it, which I can understand, because there's a lot of people there when we were leaving. We were the first ones on the mountain today, and then when we left, a lot of people were in. And you can kind of see why it's a little disturbing to their village. But the ones we met are actually very friendly, so. If you'd like to see more of what we did in Peru, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.